It's proving that the child is a human being in the womb.
Society shouldn't decide what you do with your own body.
A new bill in Florida would make it illegal for a woman to get an abortion after a fetal heartbeat is detected.
It is called the Fetal Heartbeat Bill. It's been declared unconstitutional in other states. So why then is Florida considering it, and what are the chances it will pass? NBC2's Dave Elias is answering those questions for us tonight.
Yeah, Republican State Senator Dennis Baxley says it is time for us to face our history over the last 46 years and 60 million faces or our offspring that we have extinguished. Now, that's why he's introduced the bill, and others say that it's unconstitutional and a waste of your taxpayer money.
Save the babies!
This group opposes abortion. They demonstrate in Fort Myers weekly and support the Fetal Heartbeat Bill.
It's proving that the child is a human being in the womb. And before the heartbeat, even at conception.
But admits even if it passes Florida, it will likely be declared unconstitutional here.
So the main thing is going to have a conflict in the Supreme Court. And that's where the problem comes about.
The bill also causing conflict between friends like Megan and Jessica.
Oh, I'm completely for it.
Again, everyone has their own opinion, but I am against it. I think everyone should be able to make that choice.
Everybody's entitled to their own opinion and what they would elect to do.
But not under this bill. It says any doctor performing an abortion after a detectable heartbeat faces a third-degree felony.
It criminalizes physicians and bans abortion before most women even know they're pregnant. And it's blatantly unconstitutional.
Planned Parenthood CEO Stephanie Frame was working in Ohio when the bill passed and the Republican governor vetoed it.
Governor Kasich each time said it's unconstitutional, it's a waste of taxpayers' dollars.
Something that some taxpayers here don't seem to mind.
It may be defeated in the courts. It probably in our society abortion is never going to be outlawed again, but because I'm a Christian, I believe that it's wrong.
Now, the fetal heartbeat bill is usually detected when a woman is 6 weeks pregnant, but women typically don't discover that they're pregnant until about 4 to 7 weeks, Kelly.
So, Dave, do we know where the governor and lawmakers stand on this? Because that determines what's going to happen.
You know, I reached out to the governor's office today. I still have yet to hear back on whether he's going to support this if it comes across his desk. And all of the lawmakers I've talked to locally say they're going to support it.
All right, Dave, keep us posted.